شیلک کامera شیلک زود دلک شیلک علاج که مادر شب کشیده در کارش بگیره گرم
نه آواز نه نان از گندم هم زیری آوشود آردم زیری آواز کاسه و پیالی هم کلی زیری آواز و هیچ چیزی نداریم که ما بگا زیری پای پارتیم خواهد کنیم.
Out of the three big drivers of hunger, conflicts, economic shocks, climate extremes, the climate dimension is the one that can be most reliably predicted. And that also goes for the El Niño related droughts and floods. So we have what it takes to forecast these damaging events. We have what it takes to protect lives before they need saving. But what we need to do is to make these systems and processes accessible and available also in fragile contexts where people are usually disconnected from these services.